Action.
Izvolite.
Mehdi, I guess it was your idea to go to Iran.
Exactly, yeah. That was my idea. Actually, not my idea. The guy just asked me to take some guys from Slovenia. I thought maybe Žabjek guys, as they're young and talented, are the best choice to go to Iran. So I talked to the parents and them, and they were willing to go. So we just make everything in less than 1 week, and it was a good experience.
In kako si zdel, ko si prvič slišal, Iran, gremo dirkati downhill?
Ja, najprej sem bil tako malo prestrašen, ker ne vem, vsi govorijo o Iranu, da je tako zelo nevaren. Sam pa smo tudi malo tako na internetu gledali, pa je vse zgleda pol veliko tako dosti boljše, tudi eni opisovali, kako je bilo tam in pa smo se pripravili pa šli.
Mehdi, this was also new part of Iran for you? New track?
Exactly, the track and also the way we go there was totally new, because this track is actually near Iraqi border, and I was so surprised because normally we don't have even any downhiller down there. But obviously the estate and governor of this area just paid for everything, and this was really nice because there were some kind of lack of organization and all this, but this is, I think, normal for the first international race, especially in that small town in Iran. But the guys were happy that they have riders from Europe, and I think our guys also were excited and surprised with the track and difference, also the landscape difference and all the food and everything. I think this was really good experience, especially for me and for the guys and also Iranian guys. So, and I hope next time we can take some more guys and they can see the differences, how they ride, in what kind of situation and how the things work over there.
Proga, kako ste zdaj v primerjavi z našimi gozdnimi, veliko korenin imamo, blata smo imeli veliko letos, tam pa čisto drugačne.
Ja, proga je čisto drugačna, proga je bila dosti krajša, pa podlaga je dosti mahkejša, pa ta proga je bila v bistvu, je bila samo ena linija, ni bilo možno izbirati večjih linij, pa smo bili na začetku, smo vsi dostikrat padali, ker je bilo bolj drseče, in proge so malo drugačne kot v Sloveniji pa Evropi.
Kaj pa konkurenca? Ste mislili, da jih boste opravili z lahkoto, ali kaj ste mislili, s kom se boste merili?
Ja, v Iranu imajo tudi dosti dobre kolesarje, so dosti sponzorirani, pa tudi dosti trenirajo, imajo dosti različnih prog, pa nekateri od njih tudi vozijo motocross. Ta, kateri je zmagal, njegov oče je državni pa iranski prvak in tudi dosti tekmuje po motocrossu in tudi dela v servisni delavnici, katero smo tudi pol obiskali.
Pol ni bila lahka konkurenca.
Ja, je bilo kar dosti tekmovalcev, ja.
Mehdi, tell about the crash.
Yeah, this was really shitty crash. I crashed in the second training run, and I thought I'm over for downhill because this was really bad, and we went to hospital with the ambulance, and they take a x-ray from my hips and so my arms and everything, and they said get ready for operation, and I was so disappointed. And then after like 1-2 hours, then doctor just said it's okay, it's not really broken, but I have to rest. So I was happy, but it's a bit hard to walk, and I hope I recover soon and I can ride again.
And you paid lots of money in the hospital here.
Definitely. I paid like 10 euro for all the x-ray and all the medical care and almost being in the hospital one day.
Jure, pa koliko za prst?
3.
Torej zdravstvo, s tem še lahko prvošmo.
Tudi benzin.
One more thing is
How
about
much is the
benzene.
gas?
we were on the way back. Actually, we were checking the price of benzene. The guy just stopped in the petrol and filled the tank because no one really like put like 10 liter or 20. Everyone just filled the tank, and at the end it was like I think 6 euro.
Yes.
6 euro for 50
Around
liters.
10 cents
Yeah.
per liter.
This is really disappointing. Here you have to pay like 80-90 euro for full tank. So that is also a big difference there.
Najbolj nora stvar, ki se je ti zgodila v Iranu?
Najbolj nas je presenetila hitra vožnja tega voznika taksija iz Kermanšarja do Teherana. Prepeljal nas je v 600 km je prevozil v dobrih 4 urah. Je res zelo, na nekaterih delih je zelo razkeral.
Maybe tell a good story from this trip.
Okay, the funny parts we had was we were waiting in the airport on the way back in Kermanshah to go to Tehran, and for some reason they just canceled the flights from the time we supposed to fly to Tehran, which was 11 in the evening, to 1 and then 2, and then they said next morning at 8 o'clock. So I decided to not to wait anymore and get the car and go back to Tehran with the car. And then we go to bus station, and it was like I think 2-3 in the morning, and we just find the van, the only van left there, and the guy was sleeping in the van. I just knocked at the window and he woke up, and I said, we want to go to Tehran, and he was a bit shocked, and he said okay, and I just asked him how much he wants, and then we just put the things in the car, and he just drive us like 5 minutes, and he said, I cannot. Why? He said, my car will not go to Tehran, and I will just call a friend and he will come and pick you up. And then he said, this will be 5 minutes, and we were waiting like almost 1 hour. The guy come, and this was really something. And this guy was driving us like crazy, because this road from Kermanshah to Tehran is in the mountains at like 200 kilometers, and this guy was driving really fast, and he made it like these 600 kilometers in 5 hours. This was really crazy. And other things also in the airport, we went to eat, and some guy in the restaurant just came and see the guys that are from abroad, and he just start very funny way, just say, hi, I love you. I just asked the guy, why you say I love you? He said, that is the only English word I know. So he was telling us I love you like every 2 minutes. So happy, and he was so happy, and this was really funny on the way back, and beside all the stories we had. Yeah.